In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Deepseek API key. It's a simple process that takes just a few minutes, and by the end of this guide, you'll be set up and ready to go. First, you'll need to log into the Deepseek platform. Navigate to their website and use your credentials to sign in. If you're new to Deepseek, you might need to create an account first. Make sure you've got your login details handy to avoid any delays. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start the process of obtaining your API key. Next, look for the section labeled API Keys. You can typically find this in the user dashboard. It's designed to be easily accessible, so it shouldn't be too hard to locate. Clicking on API Keys will take you to the area where you can manage your existing keys or create new ones. Now you'll want to click on Create New API Key. This option allows you to generate a fresh key that you can use to interact with the Deepseek platform programmatically. Creating a new API key is straightforward, and you can do this with just a few clicks. After clicking that, you'll be prompted to name your API key. It's a good practice to give it a descriptive name that reflects its intended use. This could be something like Project X Service or Data Analysis Tool. Naming your API key clearly will help you manage multiple keys more effectively, especially if you find yourself working with several projects within Deepseek. Once you've settled on a name, move on to click Create API Key. The system will process your request and generate a unique key for you. This key is your gateway to accessing Deepseek's powerful features. Just remember, this key is sensitive information, much like a password, so it should be kept secure. Finally, after your API key is created, you'll see an option to copy it. Click Copy to add it to your clipboard. This step is crucial because you'll need to paste this key into whichever application or script is utilizing the Deepseek capabilities. Make sure you store this key safely within your development environment or use a secure password manager. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully obtained your Deepseek API key. This key will be instrumental as you dive into your data projects and workflows. Take care to keep it secure and only share it with trusted sources. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring the capabilities of Deepseek with your new API access.